Good morning from a very cold and dry Saint-Germain-de-Confolens. We are restoring a property in the town over the next 2 weeks, and our project is a number of rooms, very different in style. So we have an oak floor here. Yes, there is oak below all that dust and dirt. Then we have a hallway to restore. It's two properties basically that are jointed, and in this side of the property we have ancient oak flooring. We have a hallway to restore that leads on to another bedroom. So our first job is to clean all the floors so that we can see the wood again. Again, another ancient planked floor. Then from here back down our hallway, we have a bathroom in there to restore, and then another ancient floor. This one is walnut wood, because you can see the difference in colour here between the planks. So we have this room to restore, and then coming back along the hallway, a couple of steps to restore. Down the grand staircase, we have our main salon. This is the biggest room to restore. Beautiful fireplace that's been installed. Very unique. And this is our biggest room to do. Again, an oak floor. So you can see that the property is divided into two. So this entrance door here is the old property, and this is the smaller property with gardens and front entrance, which is quite an interesting design. So that's our project for the next probably 10 days to restore the floors, finish with our Pall Mall Extreme, and this morning we are setting up, cleaning and sanding. So you can carry on watching this project on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and we hope you enjoy the transformation. Thanks for watching, folks.